Hey, what up? It's Lex. It is Tuesday, November 27th, and I haven't done a video in a really long time. It's been really busy, but I have been trading and been documenting it all on Twitter and my Instagram. So if you haven't looked at my Instagram, definitely check it out. It's here. I post all my trades and trade confirmations time-stamped in real time. So be sure to follow me on Instagram at LexTrader241. Also on Twitter, LexTrader241. So today I want to go over a really cool tool in Thinkorswim, and it helps you analyze your price targets for options trading, and it calculates in all the variables with theta decay, commissions, and all that jazz. So it's really, really cool, and it's really simple to use. So if you don't have Thinkorswim, this video is not for you, but if you do, it's a great tool. And if you don't have Thinkorswim, I advise you to get it because it's free trading software. It's absolutely free. You don't even have to have any money in an account. I think it's the best for charting. I think it's the best for indicators, and it syncs to all your mobile devices for, you know, iPad, iPhone. Everything's in real time. So if you have watch lists over here on the left side, these watch lists, it transforms all the way to all your mobile devices. So it's really cool. Anyway, so I want to go into this really cool tool. So with options trading, as you know, if you're buying calls or puts, there's going to be theta decay. As time gets closer to the expiration date, theta decay kicks in, and every day you're going to lose money from theta decay. If you're selling buys and puts, that doesn't matter, so don't worry about that. But anyway, so for calculating price targets for options, so I am just take an example. I'm actually currently shorting GE. I've been shorting this for a while. I got some puts on this, and I've been scaling in. I started with 1, then I got 2, then I got 3. I'm currently on 10 right now. I have 10 put contracts. I'm down a little, no big deal. I got 10 contracts, right? And I have my average cost down here at 0.076. That's the premium I paid for it. So, how do I want to figure out my price target, how much I'm going to profit off it down the road? Because this is expiring on December 28th. So, there's going to be theta decay kicking in because I am buying puts. Okay, so there's going to be theta decay. So we're going to go over up here in the left corner of these tabs where it says Analyze. So right now I'm on Charts. We're going to go over to Analyze. Okay, and it's going to take you over to this window here. And as you can see down here, here's my position. Even though I'm trading this in RobinHood, I'm just using Thinkorswim for the charts. So it says GE buy 10 contracts. The strike price, December 28th. I'm sorry, the date, and then the strike price, which is $5.50. What kind of trade it is? I'm buying put options. And here is my premium that I paid for it, 0.076. Okay. So what this does is it calculates your price targets for your profits, right? So this is going to calculate your theta decay. It's going to calculate commissions over here if you want to include your commissions. I use RobinHood, so I don't have to worry about commissions. So that's on exclude. Okay, over here is right here is the date of when it expires, December 28th. So just so you remember that. So over here, so right now the stock is trading. Where are we trading now? GE is at $7.57. $7.57. So if you look here, $7.50, I'm actually down about $36. Right here, see? $36. You can see it actually just ticked down again. I'm not worried about this because there's barely any volume on this because I'm so far out of the money on this. And I expect to be profitable probably in a week. But anyway, I'm going to hold these for 2 weeks. So it's minus $36. So that's lining up perfectly with this analyzation of it. So 756, we're at $36. So I'm looking for this to definitely get to 650, maybe around here. So as I drag my cursor over here, if this was to close at $6.50 today, roughly $1 down, my profit would be $81, $82. You can see it right here. $82. Okay, if you keep dragging across the curve lower and lower, the price goes up. If the trade goes against me and it's going up, which it's doing now, I'm going to lose more money, right? So say it goes up to $8, I'm going to be down $53. Now that's for today. So if we're in a trade where it's buying calls or puts, theta decay is going to kick in. So tomorrow, if I increase this date 11/27 to 11/28, it's going to be less money today. So let's go back to today, 11/27. Say it closes at $7, that would be $8.70 gain, right? Tomorrow it's going to be less because of theta decay. So at 7, it's only going to be $4, right? So I'm losing about $3. So see how that works? So say I'm planning on holding this a week. Say we'll say up to December, let's say the 7th. So we'd say like maybe the 5th. So next week. With theta decay, that if it's still closed at $7, I'd actually be down $25 because of theta decay. Okay, so this is really great tool to help you realize price targets with the theta decay and with buying or selling calls or puts. Very easy to use. You don't have to calculate anything. You just plug in the variables. So let's just, to do it from scratch, I can show you how to do it. So we're going to go back to a chart. Say I'm looking at shorting the S&P 500 just because the market's tanking right now. It's actually rallying right now, but if you look at a daily chart, this is pretty ugly. We all know that we're in a correction right now. So say I wanted to short this. Or say I want to go long. We'll do a call this time. So we're gonna go long. Say we're gonna go long. We're gonna go to trade. We're gonna go to our. Oops. We're gonna go to charts, trade, all products. Okay. So say here's the S&P, SPY, right? Say I want to buy a call closing on Friday. I think it's gonna go up, so I'm gonna buy the 268 call for November 30th call. So right here in between the options chain, if you double click on it, you go to analyze, right? You're going to go buy trade, go to a single. We're not worrying about any fancy sophisticated put options. We're just going to buy a single. Okay. Sorry, there's a little flicker in my computer. Okay, so we S&P SPY 268 November 30th call option. The premium is 197 here. Oops, unlock that. Okay, so let's say I'm going to buy it like at, say, 2. Keep it really simple. $2, that's the premium I'm paying for. So at $2, the premium and the current price, which is $267.55. So right here, $267.55 is basically your break even. $267.55 right there. Oops, but right there is your break even. So if this gets to 268, it's $9. So let's say we'll go a bigger number. So I bought it at 268 strike price, premium $2. So say it goes to 270. 270, my profit would be, it will calculate it for me at $130. Okay, that's for today. So say I'm thinking of holding this for a week, or say 3 days. We'll just do a quick swing trade. So the 29th. That 270 now is only going to be worth $50 or about $65 because of the theta decay. So this is a great tool to help you, plan your trade of how you're going to execute the trade, how you're going to scale in using theta decay, how long, if you're going to hold it for, if you're doing swing trades, if you're going to hold it for a couple days, you'll know, when a good exit would be with your theta decay. Now remember, this is only if you're buying or calling puts or calls, right? If you're selling them, theta decay is not going to apply. So yeah, that's it. Pretty simple to use. I've been using this on all my options trading just to kind of calculate price targets and how to help that better plan my trade for exits and also scaling in. And for the most part, when I'm swing trading options, I'm only holding them for a couple days anyway, and I'm not using huge position sizes yet, as I'm still kind of really owning my strategy using options. But as I do take bigger positions, this is going to really come into play with theta decay. So anyway, that's it. That's the video for today. I hope you liked the video. Again, please check out my Instagram at LexTrader241. It has all my trades time-stamped. Also check out my Twitter at LexTrader241, and I'm also on YouTube. If you follow this YouTube channel, where you can see all my videos, and I have a ton of videos up there. I think maybe about 35, something like that. Yeah, here's all the traders. Here's all the videos. Yeah, so that's it for today. Please like the video if you watched it today. If you have any questions, comments, leave it in the comment section, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.